Hello everybody, this is Daryl, Passing Lane Motors, and I'm actually shooting this video for a gentleman named David. Hi David. Told you I would get the Cutlass out and let you know we got videos of the whole car, under it, around it. I know you've seen all that, but we're going to get in it. The car has still been sitting here. This car is brand new cold. I have not started it up yet today. It is in beautiful company. We got a beautiful Chevelle there, a couple really nice Camaros right next to it. Let me go ahead and we'll jump in this Cutlass and let's take it for a little ride so you can see just how nice this car does perform. That right there, when I open it, all of the lights work. And then I know I got to throw in a couple 8-tracks for you. All the courtesy lights in here work. There's the 8-track player. We'll get it outside and show you this dash a little better. Bumper twice. It hasn't been started at all yet today. Come on, sweetie. There we go. Whoop. Go ahead and turn on there's the dash lights. All the lights in the dash work. The lenses are gorgeous. Here's your radio in here. Killer stock radio. Settle down now, sweetie. There's the light and the dual gauge shifter.
K-Hits 96.3.
Turn that down a little. Don't have a lot of room in here. There's your oil pressure gauge. Look how high that reads. Temperature gauge works, fuel gauge works. The dash lights in here are beautiful. It does have this, we hadn't talked about it, but it does have the True Sport steering wheel in it. Oh, get it outside here. We'll go ahead, now that we got a little light here, let's just see there's the 8-track player, and here's the dash, the burl wood and the dash. Here's along the door panels. There's your side panel. Here's all of the dash. Kick that down for you. Remote mirror, remote sports mirrors. One of the things we didn't talk about, which was easy to touch up, on the inner lip of the sports mirror, there's some little chips right there. Thought I'd let you know that. On this door panel right here, this has got a little fray. We need to put a little glue on that there. These are the rest of the door panels. These are original stickers on the inside of the door. Here's your lower casings down here. This is the paint on it we talked about. So anyway, let me jump in here and we'll take it for a quick spin so you can see how good it drives. Jim, I'll be right back. Car gets up and moves. No rattles in here. Let me roll this window up. Has a very nice seal for a convertible. Virtually no wind noise. Tons and tons of power. Gorgeous place to sit here and view the world from. This burl wood dash is super neat to look at. It does have tilt steering too. Uh-oh, I'm afraid the sun's gonna be in our eyes so bad. There's hitting the brakes. slammed on the brakes. The steering wheel didn't move a bit. It's all right, we're doing about 40 right now. I'm gonna let go of the wheel. Not a bit on the steering wheel, perfectly straight. This car drives out so nice. David, congratulations. We'll turn on the air here for you and the heat. Let me get stopped here. I don't know where all the controls are at. And show you that everything works. And I don't know if I covered all of that while we're out here. All right, here's the wipers. That's low speed. They're on there. And we have all the lights on. Here's heat.
Simply
3 speeds on the heat. Here's the air conditioner. There's the inside of the glove box. Tire pressure sticker still on there. All the drive checklist. Does have, I forgot to tell you, it has remote trunk lock too. One of the things we didn't talk about. And then the beautiful dual gate his and hers shifter here. So well, I don't know how the hell to operate that, but it does work. so unfortunately I don't know which way I'm supposed to move it, but anyway, I hope that showed you a little bit about the car, what a great driver it is, and how good it does drive and run, and how pretty it is, and how nice the gauges are. So thanks so much, David. I'm not going to keep you any longer. Oh, I got the air on, and it is freezing me out of here. So, turn that off. That down to low. Thanks a lot, and have a great day. Appreciate it. See you, David. Bye now.